Hey guys, I'm Jason Goldstein from ChopHappy.com, and I'm gonna show you how to make carbonara. It may have a fancy name, but it's literally just pasta, Parmesan cheese and eggs, and bacon. All right, we're gonna put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and you just circle it around the pan 3 or 4 times. And then I'm gonna fry up my bacon. You can use bacon, pancetta. I'm using guanciale, which is from the cheek of the pig and it's a little more smoky, but whatever's in your fridge, totally awesome. So I'm gonna crack up 3 eggs into 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. All right, for a little bit of bite, it's gonna rain black pepper today in the forecast. All right, and we just mix it up. Look at that sharp, cheesy goodness. And it just should be a little gooey. If it's not, add another egg. So I'm gonna pour the pasta in, mix it around so that we coat every strand of the pasta with the bacon grease and the fruity olive oil so that the egg will stick to it. Okay, this is the key to the recipe. You're gonna shut off the stove because otherwise the eggs are gonna scramble. And I saved a little pasta water and I just put a tiny bit in there, about 1/4 cup, just so it gets nice and saucy. And I'm gonna pour in those eggs with the cheese. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. So after a long day, who does not want to dance with their pasta? And the mixing of the hot pasta and the eggs and mixing it really fast will create this creamy ribbons of love. And it's all there is to carbonara. That is how you make a good carbonara. Carbonara heaven. This is what I think the grass is made of in heaven.